Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Maryam Sajjad from CID News Network, Islamabad. Prime Minister Imran Khan directs mayors to check fraud in housing schemes. Prime Minister Imran Khan on Thursday directed to take mayors on an emergency basis to end fraud with the people, especially the exploitation of overseas Pakistanis in illegal housing schemes. The Prime Minister said that the protection of citizens' interests, especially the poor in construction activities, is top priority of the government. 1,644 new infections, 46 deaths reported within 24 hours. According to the latest statistic of National Command and Operations Center, the COVID-19 has claimed 46 more lives and 1,644 fresh infections were reported. India will produce more COVID-19 vaccines to supply over the world. India will increase the production of its local produced coronavirus vaccine so it is available for more abundantly for other countries. WHO-led team in Wuhan probing COVID origins meet Chinese scientists. A World Health Organization-led team of experts investigating the origins of the COVID-19 pandemic began meeting the Chinese scientists on Friday, and the WHO said the group plans to visit labs, markets, and hospitals in Wuhan. US says progress hard to see without Taliban commitments. US President Joe Biden's administration believes it is hard to see a way forward for a negotiated settlement with the Taliban in Afghanistan without the group meeting its commitments under a deal last year. But Washington remained committed to that effort, the Pentagon said on Thursday. Dubai schools learn to adapt as COVID-19 surge prompts more to move online. More private schools in Dubai have closed their classrooms and moved lessons online amid a recent surge in COVID-19 cases. UAE extends visit visas for British tourists affected by travel ban. The UAE has extended visit visas without charge for British travels affected by the UK's decision to suspend flights from the Emirates.
You are watching CID News Network, Islamabad.